There are a lot of social media platforms, and keeping up with them can be a lot of work. Knowing what kind of content to create, what is trending, or even publishing on all these platforms at the same time can be stressful. In this video, I'm going to share 9 AI tools that can help you create viral videos and boost your productivity as a creator. As a content creator, you know how important it is to create engaging and shareable content. With the help of AI, you can take your videos to the next level and increase your chances of going viral. So just keep watching. My name is Charles and I help people and businesses grow. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and like this video to see more videos like this about business, AI, and make money online. The first tool is Descript. If you're a content creator and you don't use Descript, you're missing out. I use it to edit my videos and also to generate dynamic captions for my videos. It is a powerful audio and video editing tool and is perfect for content creators. It's an all-in-one platform that allows you to record, edit, and publish your content all in one place. With Descript, you can easily edit your audio and video files by simply editing the text transcript. Yes, you can edit your audio and video files just like you would edit a document. Now, one of the best features of Descript is the ability for you to remove filler words like and pauses from your audio and video files. It does that automatically with just one click. That means you can easily remove any unwanted sounds or pauses from your recordings, making your content more engaging and professional. Another great feature of Descript is its collaboration tools. You can easily share your projects with your team members and work on them together in real time. This makes it easy to collaborate with others and get feedback on your content. The next is DID. DID allows you to create stunning videos in just a few clicks. It has a text to video feature. You can easily turn your written content, text, into engaging video content that will captivate your audience. This AI technology analyzes your text and automatically generates a video that matches the tone and style of your content. You can choose from a variety of video templates and customize the colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. One of the best things about DID's text to video feature is that it saves you time and money. Instead of spending hours creating a video from scratch, you can simply input a written content or text and then let the platform do the rest. This next one is a cheat code. I mean, as a content creator, if you can use this to your advantage, you can never run out of content idea. The number 3 on the list is Riverside. Riverside is a cheat code for content repurposing. You can use Riverside to create professional podcasts and videos. Now, the interesting thing about Riverside is that it has a transcription service which is free to use. You can use Riverside to convert audio or video recordings into written text. It is very easy to use. You upload your video or audio file and then in a matter of minutes it converts it to text, a fully transcribed file. You can copy it or just download it straight up. There are a lot of things you can do with that transcript. You can rewrite it with ChatGPT and turn it to another video or just turn it to a blog post. This next one is a killer content machine. There are a lot of mind-blowing ways to use it. It is Syllabi. Now, Syllabi is an AI tool that helps you generate high-quality content in just few clicks. One of the things I love about Syllabi is how it is easy to use. All you have to do is just enter a few keywords related to your business or industry, and then Syllabi will generate a list of content ideas for you. You can use these content ideas to create your own unique content that resonates with your audience. Another great thing is that it shows you what your customers are searching for, generates scripts for your videos, holds you accountable to keep you consistent, and even make videos for you if you don't want to be in them. That is crazy. And it's going to keep getting crazy because the next tool is a game changer. As content creators, we all know how important it is to have high quality audios in your videos. Whether you're recording a podcast, a voiceover, or an interview, clear and crisp audio is essential for engaging your audience and delivering your message effectively. That's where Adobe Speech Enhancer comes in, which is the next tool I'm going to talk about. With Adobe Speech Enhancer, all you need to do is just upload any audio and it's going to make it sound like it was recorded in a studio, removing the reverb and the background noise. Now, this tool uses AI to analyze your audio and automatically enhance it for optimal clarity. So it can remove background noise, reduce echo, and even improve the overall tonal balance of your recordings. Another interesting and powerful tool is Repurposedio. Now, this is a content repurposing tool that allows you to automatically publish your content to multiple platforms. With Repurposedio, you can take your videos, podcasts, and live streams and turn them into social media posts, blog articles. You can easily automate your content distribution on all social media platforms. You post one video and then it automatically sends it out to all social media platforms. It's easy to use. You can just simply connect all your accounts and then create a workflow how you want the content to be distributed. For example, you post a video on TikTok, it sends a trigger to Repurpose, and then it takes that TikTok watermark off the video and then redistributes it to Instagram Reels, Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts, and YouTube Shorts, depending on how you set up the content workflow. This next tool is essential for content creators, more especially if you're trying to make money from content creation. The number 7 on the list is Jasper AI. With Jasper AI, you can generate original high-quality copy for your emails, ads, website, listings, and blogs. It is going to generate the full blog post with images and all of that. If you're trying to grow your brand as a content creator, Jasper AI is a perfect tool for you to use. Another powerful tool for creators is Midjourney. I didn't want to talk about this, but I just had to slide that in. You can use Midjourney to generate images which can be used in blog posts, faceless videos, books. You simply put in a text prompt starting with /imagine prompt, and then Midjourney will generate an image based on that prompt. The possibilities of using Midjourney to make money are endless, which is what I share in my community, the Online Business Titans. Now, this one is a must-have for every creator that wants to grow on YouTube. It's going to give you viral video ideas. It's a powerful tool for YouTube creators that want to grow their channel and reach a wider audience. The tool is vidIQ. It's going to help you grow faster and get more subscribers on YouTube. It will help you optimize your YouTube videos for maximum visibility and engagement. With vidIQ, you can analyze the competitors, track their video performance, and get recommendations for how to improve your content. One of the key features of vidIQ is the keyword research tool. This tool allows you to find the best keywords to use in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. By using the right keywords, you can increase your chances of ranking higher in YouTube search results and getting more views. You can also see what keywords and tags your competitors are using so that you can adjust your own strategy. Now, this is the important part. A lot of people have been hearing about AI, but they don't know what to do with it, how to make money with AI. They don't know how to get started from. Some people have been asking me, how will I do this? How will I do this? I'm going to reveal my exact method to you. I have a community where I show people like you how to use AI to make money and other ways to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere. It doesn't matter where you are. I'm going to leave the link to that community in the description. It's called Online Business Titans. Just join the group and you'll find relevant instructions as per what to do next. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to see more videos like this. Like this video, and if you have any questions, tips, or anything you want to share, just leave it in the comment section and I'll see you in this video.